screen recorder is working. This is my first time of recording my that's my wallpaper. This is the first time I'm recording my work. Shout out to a lady named Cassandra. She gave me the inspiration on trying this and recording. For social media is, I think, Cassie or Malo, you can check out. So I want to create a logo. I usually create logos with corel-draw. It's easier for me to work on corel-draw than any software. So the name of the logo, the name of the logo is 6K Store and More. Actually, it's sort of a branding for a company that is into fashion. So I'm going to create a new document and paste the name of the company therein. I don't know how, but I just want to try it because I'm not going to dive into explaining what each tool does. And let's customize video screen recording for the first time. I hope it's working well though. So if you're familiar with graphic design or corel-draw, you know I just use the zoom tool and I want to get this into a logo for a fashion store. So basically I'm thinking of something like kind of simple logo or just a font manipulation sort of. So first of all, I usually work with solid, but I think I will be better with outlines. I hope this goes viral on YouTube. This is my first YouTube video. No subscriber. There's some graphics thing going on. So I go to my font tab. I love Gotham. Gotham is a very beautiful font. Font life inspires me. Not just Gotham Nights. Yeah, the one that has the medium. Very good. Yeah. So in order to manipulate this, I need to have it on outline and no space inside. Mind the price tag. I have to save because if I don't, I'll lose my document. That's the worst thing that could happen to you as a graphic designer. I said 6K stars and more. And then I use Ctrl K to break it apart so you can see I can easily move this. And this now, if I have this idea of bringing it close. Just to make a simple, cut here and there. And make it a one word. So what I'm going to do is to convert them to cover by using Ctrl Q. So I can easily be able to use this contour. And the sixth, okay, one. Mind you, you always have to remember the number you use on the first one and use it on the second one so that the shape and the outline matches each other. My accent might be sounding fire, but believe me, if I listen to this video, this will be the first time I'm hearing myself in a recording. I don't know how I feel. If you've never recorded yourself and you did it for the first time, you could tell me how that feels in the comment section. Right? That's how they do it. Powerful. Okay. So you can see I have them in two boxes, which explains this and this. Sorry, and this. Now, I want to use this 6 to cut in between this scale without it affecting this part. So what I have to do is remove the part that has a link to the top by delete. And now I can use this to cut this to trim. Sorry, I can use this to trim the inner text. Then if I delete this, I'm having a scissors this. You get me? We're doing magic, right? Thanks. Okay, so now I want the shape here to be straight line. Now, mind you, if I start cutting out this straight up, it will split the 6 into that. So all I have to do is get off the shape that I don't want anywhere around the other part of the 6, trim, and then I can use the remaining shape. Click on the 6, trim the shira, and here we are. We have a 6K logo. Y'all niggas. Sorry for the N word. Can I say the N word on YouTube? Like a YouTube star though. Now that made it odd. But I mean, we're still looking kinky. It looks 6K, but I wanted it to be curved. And when I delete, it remains there but gives it a shape. You know what I'm saying? The shape has a feeling. I feel like I could do all of these. Now, mind you, I got an idea of something else about the 6, but I need this particular shape here. What I have to is copy this. I can do a multiple Control Z, 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 Z. Yeah, but it didn't seem to work, so I just have to go forward. But I want this shape here. So little touch-ups. You have to always admire your work. The more you admire your work, the more you have ideas coming in for it. Now this is what I want to do. Take this guy down a little bit. Extrude. Was that right now? I'm using a curve tool. Sorry guys, I always forget to. Sorry, I'm new to this YouTube course then. So I always forget to update my student. Yeah, I know how you're feeling. You're feeling the same way that I'm feeling. I can feel you from my screen. Yes. How you like it now? Yeah, yeah. So the coloring aspect of it, I like the blue, but I feel like this should have a little bit of reddish and oranges. No, we couldn't forget the other part that has the, yeah, but we can make this simple and unanimously good, black and white, you know, like straight up Kanye West level of fashion, not too much color. It's like Martin or darken there. And then I could like, possibly have a white hair, centralize it. When you want to centralize, you can just tap on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I forgot this. Gotta take it down. Take this guy down and use the. So this is me like really, this is how I work, how I create a logo. I usually don't talk about, trying to get the hang of YouTube. I have to talk. Believe me, bro. I don't like talking. So you can even ash, you know, white. I don't know, something could say go on around there. So I told you, you always have to admire your work. What I'm admiring here, something else is coming onto my head. You know, like, sorry, I didn't start. Oh, sorry, this is me when I get, so carried away by my designs. I tend to forget what I always do. And before you know it, I'm gone in the design. So there's a more that I want to add on here. But I mean, the more is, well, is literally a name. So I want to make the MUR stand out. No, but I don't know. The text I'm looking for is not coming. I have to find an alternative. So I like the black around this thing, but it's somehow contradicting with this. So I need this to trim this guy. So I can use her to trim this guy. And then I need this guy to trim this girl. So I can use this girl to trim this guy. Creating logo is pretty much easy if you know what you're doing. Like you really have to love graphics design. You have to love graphics design. I love this. This is just a simple logo that's Yeah, my bad. Tell me what you think. This is the black and white, and if I want to mess around, I love to mess around with colors. You could have it on something like this. It's the color I have in my head is already looking crazy, like I mean real crazy, not cray. Cray is an artist, my guy who knows how to sing. I could just have it. I love orange. I love orange and a touch of blue. Oh my god, that's odd. Odd. No. Yeah, sort of. And this always has to go on turquoise blue, like when turquoise blue, real. Yeah, I like when I 60 minutes video. Oh my god, is this what your YouTube stars go through? I don't want to go through this, but hey, you can subscribe for my video. Yeah. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fuck you on it. Of course, you got to subscribe. Because what I do is dope. It's clean. It's legit. You know what I'm saying? It's pure. It's raw. It's straight from the heart. Straight from my goddamn heart. And he, oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Yeah, we have 6K stories a month. I'm going to take you on the next one because there's always two options to vibe with. Thank you for coming through. Let's get it.